Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint By Line apple cutout. I'm going to go in first and base coat my apple in the color Barn Red. Following this, I'm going to go in with Evergreen for my leaf. And now I'm using cotton for my banner. And then following that, I will go in with chocolate for my stem. And for everything I've base coated thus far, I have used this number 12 flat from the brush pack we sell on our website. Now that everything is completely dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outlining everything. And in doing so, I'm just going over the lines that are already etched into the cutout for me, so this is very easy. I'm also using my Sharpie brush stroke marker to do some hand lettering. If you're not comfortable doing the hand lettering, the Sharpie marker definitely helps, but you could also go in with vinyl, and there's so many options. You could put your teacher's name or whatever you wanted to on here. Once I finish outlining everything with my Sharpie marker, I will swap over to a paintbrush, and I'll be using a number 4 round and the color Cotton. And I'm just going to highlight everything here and there to brighten and soften the look up. I will swap to some of the color Savannah Mist to highlight my banner. And I'm just going in and highlighting my lettering as well. And I like to kind of just stick to the left side of each letters. And now I'm going in with that Savannah Mist color. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.